The next is the concept of Brahmacharya, which is the third pillar of health and wellness. What is Brahmacharya? From a broad perspective, Brahmacharya is defined as the path of enlightenment. Charya means to walk on, and Brahma is the absolute truth or enlightenment. So that is the broad understanding of Brahmacharya. But when we look at how Ayurveda describes Brahmacharya, it describes about practices related to sexual activity. How to regulate this sex, when to have sex, when not to have sex, what to do after having sex, and all these different, what position to have sex in, whom to have sex with, whom not to have sex with, where to have sex. All these different details are given in the section where Ayurveda deals with Brahmacharya. Now you may ask the question, what is the connection between sex and enlightenment? There is an inseparable connection between enlightenment and sex. To get an answer to this question, we will have to go from Ayurveda to yoga, where it describes that enlightenment is a process where the vital energy of the body is moving from below upwards to the brain, towards the brain, to the higher centers of the brain, while the process of sexual activity is an activity where the energy is actually moving downwards. So the downward movement of energy is not conducive towards enlightenment, and that is why this sex and enlightenment are very much linked to each other. And Ayurveda gives us all the different methods by which we can actually regulate this sexual activity and use it as a tool to help us in our progress to enlightenment, which is also the ultimate goal of Ayurveda. So that is the third pillar of health.